Hey guys, it's Mr. Ray. Today I am here to show you another gospel magic trick with a piece of paper. So, you see, our lives resemble a piece of paper. To some extent, we have control over our lives. And with a piece of paper, you can write down what our lives can turn out. You see, we are the author of our lives. The story is ours to tell. Some people use this time to accumulate wealth. Some people, fame. Others are contented with the simpler things in life. Perhaps they would build a house of their own or a home with a family of their own. Others would have other aspirations. There are people who would like to see the beauty of the world. They would like to travel. And there is nothing wrong with that. However, what we do with the time we have on earth really matters. You see, there are a lot of people who have needs and they just can't meet their needs. So we have to take responsibility and make a little sacrifice. Give to them and set it aside. But you know, this world is not perfect, so there will be people who will take advantage of that. They will take what is rightfully yours. But you know, what happens here on earth, it will be remembered. And if this is our ticket in the afterlife, and you've pursued what is good and what is right, your ticket is a ticket to heaven. Now, on the other hand, if you were the kind of person who would cheat other people, you would get what is not rightfully yours. You would always take the easy way out. That ticket to heaven, well, it's not exactly gonna turn out the way you planned it. Because you see, judgment is very weird. But you will get what is rightfully yours. You see, this is where you go. But don't worry. You have a chance to rewrite that. And if you just do what is right here on earth, then your life may be saved. You still have a chance at a better life here and in the next. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate it. I hope to see you in the next video. Share this message with your friends.